Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to solve this exponential equation, that is 5 power x by 25 equals 60, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So I can write this 5 power x equal 60 multiply 25. Now if I'll take log on both sides, so log 5 power x equal log 60 multiply 25. Now I'm going to use log rule, that is log a power b is equals to, we can write it as b log a, and log a times b as log a plus log b. So let's apply both the rules. So this becomes x log 5 equal log 60 plus log 25. Now I am dividing both sides by log 5. So this will cancel out. So x is equals to log 60. I can write it as 5 times 12 plus 25 as log 5 square by log 5. Again, I'm using both the identities. So it becomes log 5 plus log 12 plus this becomes 2 log 5 by log 5. So x is equals to log 5 by log 5 plus log 12 by log 5 plus 2 log 5 by log 5. So this will cancel out. So x is equals to 1 plus log 12 with base 5 plus 2. So x is equals to 3 plus log 12 with base 5. So this is the value of x. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.